Pteranodon is one of the most well-known pterosaurs, a group of flying reptiles that lived during the late Cretaceous period. It had an impressive wingspan, which could reach up to 10 meters. This made it one of the largest flying animals of its time. Pteranodon has an elongated cranial crest on its head. The crest's size and shape varied among species and individuals, with some crests being long and backward pointing, while others were shorter. The exact function of these crests is still debated, but they may have been used for display, species recognition, or aerodynamic purposes. Unlike many other reptiles, Pteranodon had a long, toothless beak. This beak was likely adapted for catching fish, its primary diet. The beak's shape suggests it was well suited for a piscivorous lifestyle. Pteranodon's wing structure was highly adapted for flight. It had long, thin wings with a membrane that stretched from an elongated fourth finger to its body. These adaptations allowed it to soar efficiently over long distances. Its bones were pneumatized, reducing their weight and aiding in flight. This adaptation is similar to modern birds and was crucial for its large size and ability to fly. There is evidence suggesting that Pteranodon exhibited sexual dimorphism, where males and females had different physical characteristics. Typically, males had larger crests and longer wingspans, while females were smaller with less pronounced crests. Fossil evidence indicates that Pteranodon lived near coastal environments. Its fossils are often found in what were once ancient seabeds, indicating it likely spent much of its time hunting over the ocean. Pteranodon likely relied on soaring rather than flapping flight to conserve energy. It is believed to have used thermal updrafts and ocean breezes to glide over long distances while searching for food. The wing membrane of Pteranodon was complex and included muscle fibers and blood vessels. This structure allowed for precise control during flight, enhancing maneuverability and stability in the air. Pteranodon had large eye sockets, suggesting that it had keen eyesight. This adaptation would have been crucial for spotting prey from high altitudes and during high-speed dives.